Question 9, Part A, Part 1. Write down the coordinates of point A. So a coordinate tells us a position on a grid, starting with how far across the position is. So for point A, we'll have a look at the x-axis. Now it's in line with this -2, so our first part of the coordinate is -2. The second part of the coordinate then is how far up or down the scale it goes. So we look at the y-axis. A is in line with -3, so our coordinate is -2, -3. For part 2, on the grid, mark with a cross the point with coordinates 5, 2. So in the same idea, the first number is how far across we go. So we go on the x-axis to number 5, and then the second number says how high up we go, and that's to a +2. Now the centre of the cross needs to lie on that coordinate. So do make sure you get the cross where those lines touch. We have to label this point B, and there is our second coordinate. Question B, on the grid, draw a line with equation y equals 3. This is a 1-mark question, so we're not expecting too much, but what we need to do is just remember that we're looking for a line that shows where every point on that line y is equal to 3. Well, we know that y equals 3 here, so we can put a small cross there just to remind ourselves. But where else does y equal 3? Well, it still equals 3 there, it still equals 3 there, and so on and so forth. So the line of y equals 3 must be a straight line that goes right through the point where y equals 3. 1-mark question, that should be good enough.